Hey, what up, y'all? I got a quick Minecraft cannon design for you here. I'm going to try to keep this video very short. Basically, this is a very optimized cannon. It takes 6 TNT, 1 payload, 12 redstone, 10 redstone repeaters, pressure plate, button, water, iron gate, and just the basic block for the structure. So basically, this goes through, lights that gets shot off into the distance. There's minor differences between the settings you use on the redstone repeaters. There is one tick between these ones exploding, that one launching. Gets launched very far and explodes in the air. Very effective, long distance. You can try putting a muzzle to control, to be able to fire a more powerful explosion, but keep it a lot more straight, which you use iron gates, or what you can end up doing is just modifying these as I have been, because then the TNT will fall and land more perpendicular to these ones. And yeah, this is a very efficient cannon design. Goes flying the furthest. Pressure plate is used because it offers the least resistance for the distance traveled, as well as it is the most versatile, because once the TNT payload is activated, you can choose basically when these ones explode and where this one's in the air with, light variance. So you can either land it completely there, go flying a little bit to about the 2 mark, and these are 16 blocks between each segment. So this is 32, 48, 64, and so on. And yeah, it works very well. Very variable in how far you can travel. You can change how the payload shape is, or the detonation shape, whatever you call it. It'll change how far it'll go, so you can make it go closer, further, whatever. So these are all the basic components that you need. Okay, so you want to raise it some distance so that there's less vertical distance to fall. And you want to go ahead and extend the water tray out 7 blocks total. Alright, something like that. And then you want to go ahead and bring this out to about there. And bring it back out this way. And we need this additional back piece because there's not enough room for the redstone repeaters. Go ahead and fill this in. You're going to want to bring the detonate charge there, or the launch charge, I don't know what I would call it. Go ahead and put the redstone repeaters down, which will be 10 total. Put a piece of redstone right there, iron gate there, pressure plate there, that is not needed. And go ahead and shove your TNT on there. Tray of 6, maximize all of these to 4 ticks each, aside from the last 2. We want to have this one at 2 and that one at 1. As I mentioned earlier, that has quite a significant purpose. Goes traveling quite a bit of distance. This iron bar actually slows down how far it can go by about 1 to 3 blocks, I think, as in it'll land 1 to 3 blocks further away if it wasn't there. But it's there because of the whole reason that TNT has a predisposition to jump in a particular direction when ignited. So in this case, it'll actually jump on the ledge and stay there, which is very, very aggravating. If you build this cannon facing a different direction, that is not a problem in the slightest, but it is with this design. Okay, yeah, so that's the cannon. I will try to upload a schematic just to make it easy for anyone who's lazy. Alright, hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to y'all later.